Hi, welcome back. For the latest news on the AIs, here we can check in the U file, which is a file management app. With the AI library, we can add in some specific or point content from our U file, the internal storage or external storage. Now we check in with this products schedule. We check in with AI analysis or added to knowledge base. After that, we can ask in some questions and generate some content from this specific content. It's absolutely successful. Now let's check in the AI library, get the product schedule. Now let's check in back UMind. With UMind, you can easily do right. Riotouch and make it to generate the content based on the internet. And it can also circulate. It will be generate to be a standard formulate. Here shows the AI buttons you can make to explain this and also generate some quiz. First, let's search in some information based on the public resource based on the internet. And here more knowledge was about is a knowledge based, which means the resources was from the AI library and just upload with the PDF file for the product schedule. Now let's ask him when Riotouch was found. So it should give a response by the year of 2009. So which is correctly since he's sourcing the information from our PDF that provided. And also here showing like AI buttons, we got more capabilities on the summary. Here we can check in and selecting the same files again. We can make it with AI analysis. It will give an overview of the whole content of the whole document, what it's about and what is the construction and structure of this PowerPoint and PDF file. Okay, the documents highlight the company background and AI integrity information. So welcome back to Riotouch and checking more capabilities with the AIs and the whiteboard software. Yeah, more information we need for you to explore the Q&A, which means asking some basic information and I give you an answer. And with a license, we can generate a license, and based on this, we can ask him something very basic about alphabet. It will generate a flashcard, which means a briefing about a specific knowledge, a specific accounting.